Hey, we're at the Peacock at Dublin Theatre.
We're here to see a theatre production named Silent.
We did a lot of research for it as well. We looked at some visuals, we looked at the script beforehand.
It's something we've never seen before. It's really different. It's a one-man show, so we're really excited to see it. It'll be so different and cool. So yeah.
Awesome.
Awesome. Thank you. So you're in the second row from the front, and you're actually in row now. So you stayed in here.
A bit further. Thank you. Cheers.
Enjoy.
I just went to see Silent by Kinevane and I'm speechless. I'm mesmerised. It's like my heart is so heavy and there's a lump in my throat.
He's an incredible performer. He's so relaxed. He was class. Like, he was the definition of class. Like,
it was just so emotional. Every few seconds I was welling up, trying not to cry.
It's like as an audience member, I felt really connected, and it was like a theatre I love when the theatre wants you to be there, wants you as an audience there, and that show it connected us all.
There's just so much to the show, like I cannot recommend it enough. It was amazing. There's so much to think about and take away from it.